reinventing a portion of express logistics, which is one of the most dynamic parts of the global economy. Did you know that in the past 5 years, the same-day delivery market grew 100x in the US? Amazon is raising the bar for high-performing logistics, and shippers are looking for new ways to expand the offerings, to be more responsive, more nimble, more flexible. So here's the problem. There's this increasing demand for fast, high-performing logistics, but the infrastructure isn't changing. The roads are not changing fast enough to accommodate this need. There's also a very important, pressing humanitarian need for better logistics. The World Food Program will spend $2 billion on logistics this year. At any given day, they've got 100 aircraft in the air to deliver food, water, nutritional supplements. So our vision is to enable express logistics everywhere with safe, efficient, autonomous systems for air cargo without needing any updates to the infrastructure. Here's a sneak peek behind the curtain. This is the vehicle that we're building. This is in our office 2 weeks ago. This system is now at a test range in Central California, preparing for flight test. And I want to show you a walkthrough of how a delivery route will work with our system. So this is the flight simulator that we imported our model into to show the concept of operations. We've got a separate cargo pod from the aircraft. Cargo pod gets preloaded. The aircraft taxis over it, picks up the cargo pod, and then takes off vertically. Once the system is up at altitude, it transitions into a forward flight on wing-based lift. That's a more efficient mode of flight, so it can go long range. And then flies to the destination. We're developing for a hybrid electric powertrain, so we can extend the range past what battery-only systems would enable. And then approaching the destination, the vertical flight system kicks back in, and the aircraft lands vertically to deliver the cargo to the destination. I'm going to move through because my time is short. System is designed for 200 pounds of payload, 300 miles of range, and it is 2 to 3 times faster than a truck, 2 times lower operating cost than a Cessna Caravan, and 3 times lower operating cost than a Bell 206 helicopter. It's developed with the most modern subcomponents, so electric powertrain that's being developed by both automotive and aviation, perception coming out of the autonomous vehicle industry, and airspace integration software. It's also coming online to respond to this demand for more drones in the airspace. We're getting a lot of demand from around the world, from express parcel to verticals like mining, oil and gas, to governmental use cases. And the system, like I said, can take off and land in a very small space, so from a standard helipad or a parking lot or a field. We're developing a cargo pod that's separate from the aircraft that is low cost and can be preloaded, so the aircraft picks it up and takes it to the destination and then picks up another pod to come back without needing a lot of time and turnaround. So the most important things, this system is made for maximum utilization, quick turnaround, people and robots working together with the right handoff of labor between people packing the pods, the aircraft carrying them to the destination, long-range delivery with a hybrid electric powertrain, point-of delivery anywhere with VTOL operation, and we're developing a reliable system with high time between overhaul on major components. We've gotten some great recent press. You can find these links on our website. And I hope you'll join us to uplift logistics. Our goal is to increase the reach of express logistics all over the world and bring better performing logistics to everyone. And now I'll take questions.
Okay, round of applause.